YouTube, welcome back. DubDigital, crypto news, macro trends. Give me a subscribe if you appreciate that content. I'm trying to bring you the hottest crypto content on the internet. Today, we ain't talking about a specific coin per se. We're talking about all the coins. We're gonna review the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. Check out what that Bitcoin's doing. Is it gonna come down though? We're gonna talk about it. I know a lot of my followers are all up in the altcoin forest, searching for their very own piece of altcoin gold. Well, if you just follow me down the rainbow bridge, we're gonna talk about all that. We're gonna talk about it all. Bitcoin dominance, altcoin market cap, crypto market cap, what you want. Because if we could recognize and analyze where we are in the cycle currently, we could then use that information to our advantage. But hey, you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's pull up the charts. All right, guys, I got the BTC USD pair pulled up for y'all. Let's get it. So if you're a follower of my channel, you know that I like to analyze that BTC because BTC is what we call that king crypto. It's like a liquidity magnet, sucking up all that extra liquidity, all that government printing, unchecked spending. It's like the ultimate sponge for the ultimate inflation. I'm giving away some of my diamonds. Let me keep that one in my pocket for later. So guys, I went ahead and grayed out these lines where I drew on this chart previously because I want to add a couple more lines here. It's a trick that I like to use to help illustrate and visually identify how Bitcoin's price action actually follows cycles, and it's easy when you chunk it up. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we go, guys. I went ahead and cut up this sucker so you could better understand and see. Things aren't just random, guys. It's not just the crypto gods, Bitcoin gods saying, I want Bitcoin to go to $1 million today. No, these cycles that everyone keeps talking about is just essentially one big cohesive economic process playing out. If you think crypto goes up all the time, you're definitely wrong. If you think crypto goes down all the time, you're definitely wrong. The truth is always somewhere in the middle, guys. What I did was apply vertical raise around the beginning of each year. So basically, check out January 2017. Bitcoin's price ran up like insane. And if you're a part of the 2017 bull run, you probably still dream of that. Be honest. Check it out, guys. We're just going to analyze each one of these quartiles of the chart to help us understand how crypto's price moves. If you understand how the money moves, you can magically be in the spots where the money shows up. How you like them apples? January 2017, Bitcoin's price ran up like 2,388%. God dang, that's a lot of money. But guess what, guys? You know what also happened at the beginning of 2018? All this, all of that red, all of those red candlesticks. We don't like that. We do not like that. Bitcoin price fell 83% around the lowest point in December 10th of 2019. And also keep note of the time that it took for Bitcoin to make these gains and these losses. To the highest point that Bitcoin reached in 2017, it took it approximately 266 days. Not a couple days, not a couple weeks, 266 days. Then from the highest point to the lowest point of the drop, that took approximately 364 days. Heck, let's make it a year. 365 days, y'all. DubDigital, why are you telling me this, man? I thought this was about altcoins. I want you guys to get a realistic expectation when things go up and when things go down. But if we analyze this and we get our minds right, then it makes it that much easier to understand why things are taking so dang long. In mid-December 2017, Bitcoin was at its highest peak, around approximately $19,945. Fast forward almost exactly a year, mid-December 2018, Bitcoin was at its lowest point. Interesting, almost 365 days. Let's go ahead and plot this next vertical line on the chart, just so we can get a holistic understanding, see where we're sitting at right now. Wow, we're back up there, y'all, swinging with the giants, testing the 19,000, 20,000 level. They said it wouldn't happen again, huh? Well, I don't hear them now. We ain't gonna rub salt into the wound. We don't gotta do that. But DubDigital, look at the chart, bro. It's like almost symmetrical. And when we zoom up into the daily chart here, guys, looking at Bitcoin, this thing has been on a tear ever since October of 2020. This thing has been shooting up, getting me so hyped. But with that said, y'all, what I always say on my channel, things that go up must come down. And guys, it's been a good run. This has been an epic run. But what I like to look at on the chart is areas of exhaustion. Reached up, bang, fell down. Reaching up, falling down again. Should we have a spill? Alts typically react negatively to Bitcoin plunges. Let's go ahead and look at another resistance line that was hard to break. The last significant support that we had was 11,700 level. We tried to test in 2019, but hey, crypto wasn't having it. Everyone thought Bitcoin was gonna die. The September 2020 timeframe, Bitcoin fell down again, and everyone said, oh my god, Bitcoin's gonna die. It's going to 3K, 2K, negative K. But what actually happened to Bitcoin was it trended for approximately 74 days. And if you know, if Bitcoin goes sideways, money gets bored. Money doesn't like to sit on its hands. It likes to move around the ecosystem, and it started rotating itself into altcoins. It means that some of our altcoins altcoin bags were booming, and I mean booming. And the question of the quarter is this, guys: will Bitcoin drop significantly like it did in September 2020 of about 15 to 20% and then range for a period? Time will tell, but we're gonna keep an eye on this one. Let's hop over the Bitcoin dominance chart to better understand how this Bitcoin strength is affecting altcoin strength and if a switch in the dynamic will occur anytime soon. All right, guys, I got the Bitcoin dominance chart pulled up for you. For those of you who are new to my channel, Bitcoin dominance is basically a measure of how much of the money in the crypto market cap is within Bitcoin. When you see green candles form on this chart, it means money is flowing into Bitcoin in comparison to all the other altcoins. When you see red candles form on this chart, money is flowing more into altcoins in comparison. You dig? Let's get to it. So guys, just to walk you through this chart real quick, you'll notice that back in 2014 and even earlier, Bitcoin dominance was hovering between 99%. But when 2017 came around, that was the first time we had a wild altcoin season, like insane. Every coin popping off. From the highest point of Bitcoin dominance during that time period, Bitcoin dominance dropped approximately 60%. Do you see why it's important to try to understand when these macro events shift within cryptocurrency? Because if you could put yourself where the money's about to be, it makes your job that much easier. You'll see that the watershed moment on Bitcoin's dominance ended around January 2018. But if you guys have been monitoring crypto pretty religiously like I have, you'll remember around August 2019, out of nowhere, there was an altcoin spike. Ethereum Classic was going crazy. Tezos was going crazy. Everyone's looking around like, what's going on? I thought crypto was dead. I thought crypto sucked. Because around that time, Bitcoin dominance proceeded to drop around 20%, 15%. In fact, Bitcoin's dominance just started to rise once again in September of 2020. Looks like a bunch of money got pulled in from the altcoins, put into Bitcoin. When we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart on a monthly time frame, tell me if I'm tripping, but is that a head and shoulders pattern forming? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder? Time will tell. But what does a head and shoulders pattern typically indicate, guys? It's a pattern of reversal. And what does it mean, guys, if Bitcoin dominance goes down significantly, similar to what we saw in 2017? I think that means altcoin season. But hey, what do I know? Maybe I'm a weirdo. Not financial advice. All right, guys, I got the total crypto market cap pulled up. Let's get it. Crypto was having a hard time breaking above $309 billion. Tried right here, 2019, bang, denied. Try it again, January 2020, bang, big drop, denied. Ascended to the heavens, approximately 40%. And then around September and August, around the time Bitcoin dropped, altcoin market cap dumped about 20%. What happens when an asset's price action shoots through an area of resistance and then sits on it? That resistance is then called a line of support. If you follow this channel, you know that price progression is sequential. You gotta stair step to get where you gotta go. I drew a second line here at the $568 billion level to indicate another line of resistance that we're having trouble breaking through. We could have a pretty significant correction in the crypto market cap where we could be sitting at somewhere around $390 billion. That's a reduction in market cap approximately 30%. DubDigital, you said that altcoins are gonna go up, but if Bitcoin's gonna go down, when altcoins go down? Interesting observation, guys. Let's talk more about it on the altcoin market cap. I've basically been using it to communicate a fractal that I identified in the altcoin market cap, which is illustrated by these circles here. Basically what I'm saying is this looks like this. DubDigital, seriously? What the heck? But guys, it helps understand what price action actually is. These green and red candles that you see on this chart, it's not just pretty artwork, it's investor sentiment on an asset plotted out over time. So if we know this structure played out before in 2017, and we've identified it happening again just at a more grander scale, a significant price increase should be coming to the altcoin market cap again. And if you missed the last video, essentially what I did was apply the rest of that move that I see on the fractal to the new structure forming. I actually identified and rolled out this fractal to my following around mid-November or so. Since that point, altcoin market cap has been all over the place, but at the highest point, it rose 40%. And we're currently sitting at $205 billion wrapped up in altcoins at this point in time. But DubDigital, you said Bitcoin could correct significantly. How come this chart just goes up, bro? Dang, I can't get anything past you guys today. Let me clarify. So allow me to move this real quick just so you guys can see a little better. But right now, sitting at this point, I'm identifying the $168 billion level as a support for the altcoin market cap. Should Bitcoin crash significantly, it would ultimately bring alts down with it. Well, this is about a 20% correction. And that's assuming, guys, that the money sitting in Bitcoin just doesn't turn around and rotate into altcoins right away. But guys, don't get so wrapped up. The takeaway is this: after the storm, there is light. But hey, do what y'all gotta do. This this is not financial advice. I'm just a dude on the internet. Dang, I'm feeling all nerdy today. All analytical? Let's do some handy dandy math. We know that altcoin market cap is sitting at $205 billion. We can determine the Bitcoin market cap by simply subtracting the altcoin market cap from the total crypto market cap. Bitcoin market cap is currently sitting at $354 billion. Let's go ahead and subtract the altcoin market cap from that number, $149 billion. That's since altcoins typically lag Bitcoin at some point in the future, and we're talking like $149 billion worth of makeup. But hey, what do I know? Maybe I'm a weirdo. And guys, you know, if you follow my channel, I always throw a little FA with the TA and mix it all up. Fundamental analysis, guys. It helps to have eyes and ears on the ground so you can determine for yourself, being a sophisticated crypto investor. And you'll never hear me sitting on YouTube telling you what to think or who to listen to, but one news article makes it very clear for me to understand that all this pessimism ain't worth its weight in salt. Ethereum 2.0 staking is coming to Coinbase. Bang! The US exchange plans to roll out support by early 2021. The upgrade will transition Ethereum away from its existing proof-of-work consensus to proof-of-stake network. Ethereum's development team claims that the proof-of-stake reduces centralization risk and allows for a stronger defense against 51% attacks. Oh yeah, and by the way, this article doesn't mention it, but it also locks up Ethereum, meaning there will be less and less Ethereum circulating in the ecosystem, which means more and more money, more and more value will be held and kept within the king altcoin, which is Ethereum, y'all. And let me ask you guys something, y'all. What happens when money tends to stay inside of a sector of the economy longer? Can't hear you. Can you say proliferation of capital? Can you say money leaking all up out of Ethereum, overflowing into all of your favorite altcoins? Can you say crypto investors feeling more and more comfortable holding more and more of their wealth and their value inside of altcoins? But you know what? This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. That's just a theory I got, and we'll see how it plays out. Time will tell. All right, guys. Just want to bring you a cohesive update on the crypto market. We went through a lot of charts. This helps get your gears going and understand how long it takes for actual economic forces to play out. And when money moves across sectors of the economy, it doesn't just affect one thing, it affects many things. And that law holds true in crypto as well. We all know Bitcoin's doing its thing, trying to crush that all-time high, but we had a couple failed attempts. We have to have a plan for when things go good and things go badly. But the good thing is, after the storm, there should be some light. And when I mean some, I mean a lot. If you appreciate the content, give me a like, comment, subscribe. DubDigital, crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.